Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change your language here on Amazon using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then go to amazon.com. After that, you just want to log in your account. And then if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one. So by the way, this is a easy tutorial. Okay, so first you want to click on this flag here icon at the upper part of your screen, and you can see change language, and you can now choose any language that you want. So these are all the available language. So if you want to change in Espanol, just go ahead and click Espanol. And now, as you can see here, the text or the language is now changed to Espanol. So there's this other way. It's this second way and how to do it. Okay. So first of all, you want to right click on the page, anywhere on the page, and you want to click translate to English, and you want to click on these three little dots at the upper part of it and choose another language and click the drop down arrow. And as you can see, in this way you can have much more options on languages. So now you can just go ahead and choose one and just click that, and you're good to go. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.